In this video I'm putting a seat cover back onto an NSU Quickly Cavallinho. This is the seat that came off of it, the leathery part, and there was some sort of it was like charcoal all around inside and that there, and there are holes along the side, and these go on like so, and you must fix them in place, and then that goes around that section there like that. So there's also this nameplate Giuliari, because the Cavallinho was designed by an Italian, and I got this seat cover made up, and to kind of strengthen it, like there's something inside there, I'm not sure what it is, it's probably just this kind of a charcoal thing that's sewn into it. So what we did was we got this wire and we put it in there, and the guy making it for me put a heavy foam to try and replicate what was on that. So that will be going on there, but I have to make holes somewhere along here at this side of the stitching to take these similar to where they were on this here. So what I'll do is I'll mark the positions of these holes, 5 of them, there's 5 on each side, 3, 4, 5, 2 and 3, 5, yeah. So I'll have to mark these holes along here and punch them out. Now I'm about to put on the Giuliari sign at the back. So I've just punched 2 holes with this leather hole puncher, and I was going to flatten these kind of things, but I can't flatten them because the jaws on that won't go in far enough, so I've had to do it with a screwdriver as best I could. So I'm just going to put 2 small little bolts through that there now, or I might possibly actually rivet it all together. It might be the easiest. Right, I think I'm going to rivet it all together, probably be the best. Now that's that in place. Right, I have 2 of the holes done now, and I have the little I don't know what they're called, kind of eyelets I think is what they're called. I have 2 of them installed, so I have 3 more to go at this side. Now that's all 5 of them in at that side. I must do the same now at the other side. Now I have all the holes done at both sides, and I've now got to clean off these little brackets. I've got to clean all them off. There's 8 of them in total, so I must clean them off, and I'm actually going to put hammerite paint on them, which will stop them from re-rusting. Now I'm just wire wheeling the rust off of them. So I have 10 of them to do in total. Now I'm just after painting the seat frame itself. Let it dry off there, and I'm working on the little clips. I have some of them painted and they're drying off. Now I'm putting back on the holders for holding the saddle onto the frame. Have them all cleaned up and painted, and I'm using stainless steel nuts, washers and bolts etc. to put them back on. So I must put on or 8 of them. Now they're too long on the outside, but I'm going to cut off just at the nut when I have them all together. Now I have the frame out there and I'm just after putting it on, and the clips clip over that there, and then I must pull that up with the pliers. And I tighten the screws the opposite way around as well, because they look much neater that way. So that's how it's looking at the moment. I must just get these down over that there now, all of them. Now I have put it all together there. Clips hold it in place, and these are the 2 wires then that come along here, so I just have to tidy them up there now, and it's finished.